Well, guys, it's all morning over here, and we thank God for the gift of life. So, anyway, guys, I'm just wake up from my house, and to see amazing day like this, it's by God's grace. Anyway, guys, my name is Helopad Official. In case you're new here on today's videos, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Helopad Official. So, on today's videos are very special, and I hope right now my dog they didn't notify that I'm shooting my videos, because I have a comedian dog right there. When they see me shooting the video, they start making noise, whoa, here and there. So right now, guys, I'm prepared to take my bike outside, and I'm going to wash them. So today it's a kind of a different videos ever. So, and probably we have the maze right there. So today we didn't work because it's on Sunday, and I respect the Sabbath day, especially on Saturday and Sunday. That's the most the time people can go to church, other to rest, So right now, guys, I want to take my tea of cup inside here, and then I'll take you outside, well, right here. I was drinking this, and then I need to finish up, guys. Remember, guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, that's how my house looks like. Like shagalabag. You see the jacket here, have cup of tea right there, Wow. So after this, I'll take you outside, and then to see what is going on. You heard my dog? I'm drinking milk tea. So in terms of my project, we are going in good way, Guys, thank you everybody for supporting me since day one up to today. Thank you so much. My God bless you. And guys, in the morning, let me say in the morning, mid-morning, I was watching on Instagram. I see the elephant like this in a game park, try to push, Land Cruiser, or another way, tourist vehicle, So when you're going to the game park, please, I realized we have aggressive elephant. They didn't want to have the noise from vehicles or from the music, because it has sharp ears, So I see they try to chase the tourists who visit the game park, Imagine with a Land Cruiser, and then that Land Cruiser going back and then take a U-turn. After that, this stuff that you see is called a horn. It's push the Land Cruiser at back, and then the Land Cruiser starts swimming and then finally, by God's grace, they managed to go. So me, I scared them. When the elephants behave like that, I scare them. This animal, this elephant, it can pull down a bigger tree, and also, what about a car? If they can try to push the house and then it fall down, what about a car? So I'm advising for those people who are going to the game park or game reserve, you should take care of yourself. This one, you not joke around. But lion, you can close the windows, and then you see from outside, And the worst thing is cheetah. Cheetah, they can jump on the rooftop when the car have been open. Those Land Cruiser or a tourist vehicle, it's open on top, on rooftop. So cheetah are most dangerous also. It can jump within a second. I was watching those clips on Instagram, and then I said, wow. Alright, guys, it's time to take you outside. So my video starts from here. No, sister, come you say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Take this camera. You're wearing good. Hey. And guys, by seeing my sister wearing like that, it's one courtesy of my subscriber made it possible, you know. And I say thank you so much for everybody who's supporting my sister, going to school, you know, to get well educated, you know. And I'm the guy who value education. Got my crazy dog. They have already realized my camera. I'll come there to say hello. And I see one of my subscriber advised me, hello baby, your dog now it's come like thin. No, it's because of the air condition. Bro, come and say hello. Hello. Yeah, that's my brother, the tallest brother. Okay, calm down. Good morning, Bruno. I will never be left you behind. You wanna say morning. That's my dog. And also, guys, this is the carabat. You know, I think yesterday. Calm down, Bruno. Calm down. I think yesterday they put the rest of carabat, and this was remaining because we don't want to push them, like doing quick and fast. And also the borehole down there below, it's highly risk, you know, so they're removing slowly and then they put the carabat. So this is the carabat for fixing the inside the borehole. So guys, let me show you. Right now the level of water goes down. You see guys, so there's no water on the water tank right there. Wow. That's how a smoky kitchen looks like, guys, you know. And that's where my mama prepare food every day, morning, lunch hour, evening hour. And then I see some comment people said, hello baby, you should get money and buy your mama gas cooker. Man, when I get money I'll do that, but probably right now I'm thinking about my mom's dream house, you know. At this moment my borehole like bring me back. I was focusing ahead, you know, maybe to buy some bags of cement and sand, but it's returning me back. Well, so let's go, guys. Whew. So guys, I'm trying to run out of that dog because it's making noise right left center. So guys, that being said, at this moment, you know, on behalf of my side, guys, I was thinking if this one could not happen, I was thinking this month to buy, let me say, 2 tippers of sand or 2 rolls of sand, and also some around 50 bags of cement, you know. But probably it's returning me back, and I spent here closer to $400. I'm telling you guys, because I was running to Border Town, buy cement, buying waterproof, and then the borehole didn't finish up. And also on top they need to put another 2 feet of the carabat here, and then there's some a lid they will construct a side, and then they will come and put here the lid which have some handles. So if they want to wash the borehole, they will come and then touch on that handle, put aside, and then enter. So initially I was me covering by everything, you know, but they advised me, instead of coming demolishing, you know, we create a staff and then a lid. Also that lid will have a door, you know. I have the door right there, so they will fix them. So if they want to wash them, they will touch that handles. I think they will fix 4 handles, and then maybe one there, another one here and there. It will look like a cross, you know, like that way, and then they will remove it easily. So Guys, there's some challenges that I pass here. So, but this week that we're going to start on Monday, which is tomorrow, by Thursday, guys, trust me, we'll get water. And your prayers are very, very strong, guys, toward my family, you know. You pray for my family, you know. We pray for us to get water. You pray for us, you know. Like you pray for me, guys, to build my mama dream house. And I know 100% of my subscribers, they're waiting that day to become, guys. And the day is around the corner. You know, when I finish this, trust me, guys, I'll start from scratch, you know, pushing my mama house slowly. Wow. So also, guys, at the same time I lose the money to start another borehole within here. You know, we can't imagine. I spend around $80 here. You know, there's 8,000 Kenyan shillings to dig that borehole. And then when my engineer arrived, they said, "Oh, no, don't start another borehole. You know, that borehole will be constructed by the Karabat." I told them it's risk, you know. And then they say, "You know what? Don't worry, just bring us some materials." I said, "Okay, if you decide, if you risk your life, it's your own problem. But for me, I have already given you a notice, you know." But God is good. I see them doing a well job done. But probably, guys, I don't want to go inside there. So maybe by tomorrow's videos, you'll see them fixing that Karabat, mixing concrete, you know. So, wow. And at the same time, guys, I'm preparing myself. Today, my mama will going at church far away because they have some a crusade. You know, Catholic, the Roman Catholic have some so many categories of maybe we called some rules. You know, maybe gifting the priest. You know, like. You know, I don't know. I didn't understand those rules, but my mama told me today you are going far away, you know, so you need to escort us from here up to other side. So I'll show you guys. And I remember there's a day I took Congrat Dad there, you know. Also we have the SDA on other side. When I'm shooting the videos, you will see. And actually my brother will help me to hold the handles, guys, you know. So man, be ready on these videos. So we are going to celebrate welcoming an international visitor, you know. And I appreciate, guys, I appreciate when the international visitor arrived in our village. We feel so good on our side. And maybe one day, even me here, for example, I'll go outside of the countries. People will invite me to their homes. So it's good to welcome peoples in our village. And in Kenya, guys, it's the most famous country which have free freedom. And I had nobody complaining. When I go Kenya, I got robbed. When I go Kenya, I have this done for me like in wrong way. No. Kenya is the country of peace and love, and also free freedom. Imagine, guys, I can travel from my home to Mombasa. I shoot the videos on the street. Nobody who mind my business, you know, shooting my videos, doing everything. And also people in Mombasa, they are hospitality, you know. They said, "Bro, you know, I want to take you somewhere." And then I say, "Okay, take me to another county, take me to another place, you know, I want to go this way." And then they didn't overcharge me. But I know most of the country, maybe the part of Africa country, you know, maybe people overcharge you. And especially, guys, I'm advising you, if you are coming to Nairobi, please take care of yourself. There's some phone snatchers there, camera snatcher. They maybe snatch your small bag. So at least when you're coming to Nairobi, you have a small bag. You fix here your small bag in front of you here, and then you cover by jacket. No one will come snatch your bag. No. That one, no. Okay. Also, guys, we try to keep pushing ourselves. So yesterday, I was removing some firewood from here to the store, and also I think this week at the same time I removed the rest, and then to clean this yard here because maybe some snake will hide inside there. So I need by this week, when my brother have been given half time, we're supposed to work with him within here. You had the cock, it's early in the morning, that's blessing. So we are in those that firewood. That one have not yet dry up, they are wet. So that one nobody will touch them. And are you ready? I'm coming there. So let me say hello to my brother. I see him on this side here. It's good to show you my family. My brother, you good?
Yes.
How was everything?
It was good. Yeah.
So you're basking the sun?
Yeah.
Actually, guys, the sun is set from here. You see where I'm pointing? That's the sun. So automatically my brother sit here basking the sun. And also, guys, remember, African sun are very, very nice. Okay, me, I'm escorting my mom to church. Because they're going to church, I think it's seminar. It's far away.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me see them. Let me see them. Mom. Tangan. I'm telling my mama, Mom, waiting me. Let me show you how my mama wearing, guys. It's good to show you guys. Mutachongo trigit. Hey, are you a musician? Whoa. Hey, Mama, what about you? What? Kumusuko tuku ya?
Wiki ni tuku yangu rai.
Mama, high five. All right. I'm gonna go harder on myself. So because they are going far away, so I need to take my bike outside, guys, right now. All right, guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the way. So, guys, it's time to, taking my family to church. They are going far away. So it's not our regular day to go in Nyabuhansa Catholic Church. So right now they're going far away. It's a long distance, guys. Hey. My brother maybe will hold like this. Like that, alright? You go. Alright, guys, we left home. So we are going, guys. Yeah, guys, it's good support to me to have this motorbike. And then I help my family. Wow, that's how we go. Right, guys. We thank God, man, for this far. Nowadays my bike helps my family a lot. Not only my family. Wow. Like that. That's how we go. Ikile dakika ngapi? Anafika 11 man. Wow. Very in the morning here. People are moving up and down. Very in the morning, you see some kids are shining here. Show them. Kids are here. I see that they're wearing a combat shot. Whoa. 100% people are Christian in our village here. You see, no jokes. Alright guys, we are closer to Nyabuhan, some around maybe 100 meters apart. And around 9 outside. If you push, so that's how Nyabuhan looks like. Hi. So guys, that's how your pants looks like. Oh, joke. Show them. Wagwan. No. That's small market, but a popular to the world. Show them in front, like that. Them kiri camera. Hustles everywhere. Hustle is everywhere. Show them the shop. How it looks like. Okay. There's some small filling station here. I want to put the gas for $1 and then boom. Boom. Show them that road. So I think I'll left here. Skin. Okay guys, I want to fill the gas here. So guys, you see people are going to church right now. And in front of me, that's a Catholic women. See them? Boom. Hey! That's how I ride my bike. I thank God today I have my good cameraman here. That's my brother. Show them the bungalow house here. Yeah, it's a bungalow house. My doctor, Dr. Mosh. So here I put neutral. People are driving car, tap screen. And me, I'm driving a motorbike. I'm kidding. Jadi biar kau nak cari. Igo. Igo. See guys, motorbike are means of transport here in our village. In front of me, you wanna see the Honda. Ano magano to? Tap the screen. Bantu ya hira kanis. Have the sharp corner here. So I need to slow down. Gonna slow down. Tagor ke camera po eh. Yeah. Mereka aku bikin beda handphone. Gitu. Woo! Village life, you know. There is a school here. Show them. There's a day just come here. I was delivering some books. This is Kibranga. So you're heading to Gatundu. Kwa vamka tu touring away. Tiki mama touring. So guys, here is neutral. No accessing over, like accelerate the fuel. Beganga. Okay. Yeah guys, I was right. Look. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Poor roads here. And we have leaders. Imagine. But I think this road is supposed to put the tarmac road. No, I see them preparing. As we go, you'll see the excavator. You know, excavator? Hey, yeah, you show them that tractor. Right? Higher. Show them an excavator right here. Let me go slowly as we show them. You see guys, that one there, that's a bulldozer. Compacting the road. I'm telling you, it's a bulldozer or an excavator. You have two times. You know, bulldozers are a heavy machine which they can maybe remove even the stones. Oh my god, small kids are running to church. Manyara leo wako busy. Hey, you know, here is neutral. Show them, road is under construction. See? Yeah, that side, you see? Deeply, and then also I see another bulldozer here. Yeah, it's a bulldozer. Show them. Yeah. You see guys, that one is a bulldozer. You see? Okay, our journey continues. No pressure guys. Down here we have the tunnel or a water project known as Gatundu. There is a day I came to look maybe signs for construction here. You can go. So I think guys, we almost, you know, try to imagine inside here have a church. These are Catholic. Show them the church. That's a church. I think, yeah, I'll show you things that have been done. Mama, bye.
Bye.
So guys, we are going back, but my brother, they are serving the priest, so they are going to his home and waiting the service. Alright guys, that's my baby right here, and I just pack it here. Hey, it's so hot, man. I need to pull it to the back, so after this I'm going also to wash them, you know. It's purely that, you know. I normally be here for the several time, but right now I think things is okay here, you know. Yeah, so now today it's the time to welcoming the visitors at the village, you know, at Villa Mendelin down here. So my work is to check. See these clothes here, guys. Oh man, and something short, you know, something short for the villagers. Yeah, something short for the villagers, you know. A treat here. I wonder, guys, you know, but it's good. He was covering this place, and he was making cleanliness here, you know. He covered this place. I don't want to complain, because here we have some deep, maybe small hole, and then my good neighbor, he do something here, guys, you know. All the issues, you know, that we have here in good way, you know. I think the boundary reach here, maybe here on this post, not going up to that way. Wow. Okay guys, if you're watching these videos, please make sure you leave a sweet comment on the comment section below, and that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official, you know. Wow, we have some stones here. This one, that one here, that one here. So I need one day to push them to other side. So I think by Wednesday or Friday next week. It's today only, so tomorrow start a fresh week. So by that week that we're going to start from tomorrow, no, yeah, by tomorrow actually. So I just pull up here, I do some cleaners, slash them, so the field looks very nice. You see guys by yourself. Wow. And that's the local house, you know. So actually I just been here, guys. My previous video I was talking the hidden roof. If you see maybe on Gitriba's room, home, that's hidden roof right there. Also that's a roofing, guys. So I'll see which one I will fall on it. Maybe roofing or hidden roof, you know. But I think this one is the most expensive. Maybe if you've done a roofing like this, it's the most expensive. But the hidden roof, it doesn't need a lot of iron sheet and timber, but it's very delicate. Maybe it depends when you get a good mason. So let me sit here, guys, because I see it's too much sunny, guys. Wow. So guys, I was thinking on my side to do roofing. Probably it's expensive, and the house will cost around 150 iron sheet. Probably that's the maximum of the iron sheet. So I don't know, you know. I have a lot of things to do here and there, and at the same time This is the washroom within here. Hey, somebody wash their bodies. Oh, and then water entering on this small hole that you see here. No, you hang here a towel in no cold way. You know. You hang it here. Hi. Some people passing there, you know. So we have the road right there. The running. It's not a public road. That's a private road. It starts from other side on the main road going to the villa down here. So it's end up down there, you know. Things are in local way. There's a ventilation here. I think even the toilet also have the ventilation. Yeah, within here. You know. Wow. So for this case, I was greeting one of my friend on the other side. So after these videos, guys, I'm heading at Nyabuhanse. I need to wash my bike because previous day it's raining, and then full of mud here and there, you know. Guys, I'm so hungry, you know. So let me check the time before we move. Hey guys, I love this view, man. Look how it looks like from this side. It's totally different, but it starts from here where I'm pointing. Look, that very nice, guys. Going to other side. Now let me check the time, guys. Right now it's 11:19. No, closer to 12. You know. Wow. Yeah, guys, and I think by God grace, next week on Thursday or Friday, we shall finish up the issue of fixing Karabat, you know. So by tomorrow also, I had a lot of things to do, you know. I'm supposed to see whether I can manage to buy the sand one tip. And actually, guys, when I was escorting my mama going to church the other side, within there's another river YouTube. It's go up to other side. I found a nice sand because I told you last time when I'm leaving the village going to Mombasa, the guy bring the first rolly. The sand was very bad, and I need to add two of them. You know, I spent closer to $200. You know, bring maybe two or one. I'll see, guys, because I need to balance my budget. Bring the sand from other side, also buying cement, and then to pay the guy, you know. So probably, guys, I supposed to pay the guy who do some work on my construction, especially in my borehole, $400, you know. So I paying little, guys, you know, $60, $50 until finish the payment. So I was checking my videos, my latest videos. I think you can see right there. It has 1.2 views, 1.2k views. That's 1,200 views, you know, 17 hours ago. Guys, thank you so much. Maybe this video that I'm shooting, it could go maybe even 1 million views. You never know, guys. But the good thing, I'm trying to push myself doing videos. So I think, guys, right now I left this place, you know. I must check it out, you know, whether African window, but the door is metallic. This one here, in form of timber, you know. So I left this place, you know. And when you're a good caretaker, you need to fix things in good way, you know. They put here like you know, more cement. That's how it looks purely white. So it's time to wear a jacket and go, you know. Guys, I need to place it here, my camera. Alright, just a minute. I'm fixing the camera and then to wear the jacket, please. Like that. I love this shirt, guys. Probably when I go to Mombasa, I say this one, I'll go with it. Yeah, that's how it looks like when I cover. Anyway, guys, let me confirm the key, and also it's time to go. So this is my bike, and that's how it looks like. I need to maintain them to be clean, because the place where I came from, the roads are not good. If I didn't clean them, man, I will spoil something. You know, you go and wash them. I cure them. Niko kwa jiji hapa hadi wapi? Nataka sijui kama watu wa mji wako. Hao mabinti simuona wakipandisha. Ubinti mnene? Wote wawili kwenda hapo juu. Maybe wamekata hivi. Unakongo ina maana mmoja. Mimi nimeona wakiwa wawili. Kuna mmoja nene. Limevaa kitenge. Kitambo. Si kitambo sana. Maybe wamekata hivi. Kama ulipanda ukaingilia juu. Okay, guys. So we shall meet on the other side. Okay, guys. I just come from the land there, and then the bike. Look.
Chunga nisipatwe nikikurekodi na nime.
Okay. I will come. Mavisa wanakuja sangani. Sai.
Unapandisha? Twende.
Introduce yourself.
Guys, we are moving with the motorbike. This is finding here and here. Sawa? We are going upwards. Today is International Day. In the village. Jaribu kupigia Robi Gala simu.
Come.
Guys, subscribe.
You know, right now we have already slaughtered the goat.
Yes, we've slaughtered.
Yes.
Even chapati is ready.
That's my favorite food. You know, when you eat chapati, but without chapati, that's not a pat.
Chapati pat.
Yeah, chapati pat. Me, I'm going to wash my bike. You know, and then when it looks
in your hands.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so that being said, today we have the party down here, and I'm going to wash my bike. Wow. Buddha! Come closer. We're going to the party.
Yeah, you need to go to the party.
Yeah.
Already start?
Yeah. Oh. The party is ready.
Yeah.
I was finding Yan there, and then they said everything just okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where are you going?
Me, I'm going to wash my baby.
Yeah.
And then I'll come. You can go and wash. Hata bado wageni hawajakuja.
Now.
Bado. Hey,
Hawajaja.
bado. So you can go and wash your bike. And then if maybe the visitor will say, oh, Niko Buddha, let me sit here. The bike is clean.
Oh,
hey.
Yeah, of course,
Yeah, but I know down there, like, no shooting videos.
I know, no
yes.
shooting.
Yesterday there was a meeting there.
Yeah.
No shooting of videos.
No shooting.
Yeah, we respect people's privacy.
True.
Yes. If maybe I said, maybe no riding motorbike.
Yeah,
that I mean.
It's your property.
Yes, it's my property.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
how was your house?
My house is good. So I thank God for the progress. Every day you have a progress step by step. Yeah, because yes, as you can see, you know, something is matter is focus.
Yeah.
When you need to do you need to do something, so you must put a focus.
Yeah.
You can see a fruit. You can success.
Yeah, guys, and guys, we thank God for everybody YouTube in Nyabuhanse. Everyone have the motorbike, but different colors.
Yeah, different colors.
You see, guys, Niko Buddha, you see mine. Maybe you see Uncle Mo, you see Congrats Dad bike, you see Marwa's, different colors. Mayugno's bike, you know, everybody.
Yeah, we thanks for our people.
Yeah.
Who every day maybe watching, support, because through him we get something which you don't dream before that you can get.
Yeah, let me park.
But now.
You see, even me, I was stuck there on my land.
Yeah.
See how my bike looks like below.
So because Mayugun is calling me there, he told me I won't be there now. I don't know what my is going, but let me go to listen.
Young Rich in the village. You see, he was building a bungalow. At the same time, he has a motorbike.
True.
Also, guys, by God's grace, I have the motorbike. I'm going to build my mama house soon.
Yeah, this is a good thing.
And I need good mason from Tanzania.
Yeah.
I prefer that.
Worry.
But the engineer also, he was a Tanzanian guy.
Yeah. When you need to start, just call me and we can communicate about.
Yeah, we bring professional mason, but the handman, I'll pick from the village here. So they can get employed.
Yeah, and also myself, I can design your plan.
I have the plan.
Oh, you have the plan?
Yes. I'm telling you also, my engineer, he was in Tanzania.
Yeah,
in Tanzania.
Yeah.
So also I'll give you a job to look a nice mason.
Don't worry.
No problem, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, Niko Buddha.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, let me wash my baby.
Yeah.
You know that's my baby.
And me here, that's why I care. You know, without this, you know, we have a trip here and there. So because of our motorbike is simplify our route near village. So if you like, go there, take a minute.
Imagine.
Be there.
Like for me, I was to renovate my borehole because it's collapsed.
Yeah.
The mason said, run to border town, bring waterproof, nails, spread. Imagine with my bike. If to hire, I can spend maybe $20.
True.
Giving somebody motorbike.
Yeah, per day.
Or spend for the transport. But if I have mine, is to put maybe a gas for $5 and then it serve me the whole day.
Yeah.
Okay, Niko.
Yeah. So we shall meet.
Yeah. Nakuja kwa mulo.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, Niko. That's Niko with the jets. Okay, guys. So it's time to go. Kipinda. It's time to go, guys. Koroboke ma. I'm washing clothes here, guys. You have the borehole there. So that being said, maybe people will ask me, hello, baby, why don't you show us the visitor? Today, no shooting of the visitors. Like, no shooting of the videos, you know. So people need privacy. And, yeah, you know. Let's go. Photographer, you good?
I'm good, bro.
What
about you?
Me, I'm also good.
How is things going down there?
Things good. They have already prepared chapati, goat soup. You know, I'm going to wash my baby and then I just come down there.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, what about the visitors? I've already arrived.
They're on the way.
Oh, they
Around 30 minutes, they'll be arrived.
So the gate is just open.
Yeah.
You can just go and
You can
enter.
go.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So let me.
If maybe you didn't have bad intention, you can go freely.
You know.
Yeah.
Peaceful man.
Okay, peaceful man.
Yeah.
Photographer. Inside of the camera, guys. I'm telling you.
I have a Canon camera. Canon.
Hapa naweza park, no problem. Kuna barabara ya mtu. This Canon.
It's Canon.
Yeah.
So the camera is
So you quit YouTube? Or
No, I'm doing both of them, but I like photographic and video recording.
yeah.
So this is the battery. I have it is a trigger for the photo. When you use the umbrella or whatever.
Oh,
so
this
you
is a
use it like
trigger.
Trigger, yeah.
Oh,
So you inserted the battery inside. After inserting the battery.
So there's a guy coming here, but we don't care. They use that's guy.
So
Okay. There's camera here.
So let me give him a direction.
Okay, you go.
We are going there.
Yes, they went to exchange the gas. These are camera guys. We're not faking things.
So let me show the camera actually. So this is
See,
the
guys.
camera guys here. The name is just Canon. You can have a look here.
Where? Yeah,
The
Canon.
web is Canon. Even on this side it's Canon.
Even
So-
this one can use for shooting video for YouTube.
It's
I'm
very
telling you.
best for shooting even the video.
I remember Mara, I used
Yeah.
this video, this camera for
Yeah.
the first time shooting the videos.
So it's good to shoot
Open
videos
here.
for for the YouTube ad. The problem with it, like doing like vlogs, so it's somehow risky because people when you're just shooting, everyone is knowing that you're just shooting.
You have a camera.
Yeah, you
There's
have a
screen
camera.
here, guys. I don't want to
This is a
touch.
touch screen, but I
Oh.
must inside the battery inside
Oh.
through this place.
Hey. Rich. Young rich.
Young rich. I'm gonna be.
That's a good business, bro. If
Yeah.
you think,
Yeah.
there's a day I went to Nairobi
Yes.
on the street,
Yeah.
people taking photo, and
Yeah.
one photo is 100.
Yeah, it's 100 bob.
You know.
Even me.
If you take maybe around 50 people, that's 5,000.
So sometimes I make a lot, and I use it for the living.
Okay, me, I'm going to wash my baby,
Yeah.
and then I just pull up down there.
So guys, I go by my name Chris Muniko. You can go and subscribe to my YouTube channel as the name Chris Muniko. Chris is CHRIS, Muniko is MUNIKO. Me too, I'm a same content creator. I'm just doing YouTube. Same to adding to that, I'm just doing photographic. I'm doing the video recording, photo shooting. So I have a lot of skills.
Yes, and
Yeah.
me, maybe one day I'll be.
You gonna
doing-
promote
No,
me,
no,
yeah?
I'll do Nani.
What?
Having some system.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, Mniko,
Where
you
are
go.
just going?
Maybe they're going down. There's another route, but I'll use this one.
Okay, that's
I am Martin. No,
So,
you can say
we'll
Kenan.
talk. You're just
Okay,
coming?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay, we'll talk.
Yeah. Much over again, Europe. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's go. And look, Tanzania just within here, guys. Within here. Boretom, Tanzania. So me, I'm heading this way, guys. Let's go. Big up. One love. We're fully outside, guys. Shooting the videos. Right. Right in the morning. Guys, just believe on me. Tomorrow I'll bring the sands for the construction to my site, and then the rest of the money I'll use for the payment of for my work to be done. Wow. Everybody knew this party because people have been invited, guys. Oh. Let's go. I see the iron sheet is coming. Look at that side right there. Very nice. Nice view. I see the iron sheet. Look at that guy, man. Oh. That's the Pulse police station. You know, within here. They are dealing with some small cases because they take it to the court of law on the ground here. They wanna deal with you serious. In the morning I was using this route, taking Mama there. Let's wash this bike. That's Nyabohansa's swamp. You know. Hey! It's crazy. Anyway, let's go this way. I need to wash my bike here. You know? Guys, I'm washing my bike. You see? And then heading to the party. Wow. Kana moto temera mancha ko. Ita tema mancha era nchume vile. Ya mataki toka kura mono. This is a machine here. This is a machine. See right here, high pressure washer. Yeah. That's what my car. Mine not on there. Mine. See, rim queue phone gero. This all back they need to be washed. This one, that one, that one. Kongo mam rangu sikuchora pera biga biga jakia kambere. How to get the misipan. Story tour. Toke machine.
Nasema nini?
Tena nawe. Mbovu. This is a gun. Vehicle, guys. You see even this one here. The visitors arrived. Woo! In border town. So I'm cleaning, guys. You know. Hey. The visitor arrived. Today. You know. We have the party. Whoa. What one? Yes. So, yeah. Today is a big celebration, guys, in our village. So I'm cleaning my baby here. Whoa. Hey. Alright, guys, so it's time to go in border town. Yeah. A lot of visitors have come in Africa, especially in Kenya. You see tourist car right here. Oh. They are going to Serengeti, guys. Today is a super calm day. We're fully outside. Right now my baby is clean and we're gonna move, man. We're gonna move. Super green, that's here, green vegetation. Green vegetation. Africa, the land of food and water. Wow. Woo. The land of wood and water. You see from this side here. And today's a market today, guys. You see right here. No joke, man. Wow. Hey. Ooh. So I'm heading straight, guys. Wow. Come on, go on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You see tourist car, guys? This tourist car, man, within here. Okay, that's my Roman Catholic Church. Today they have some seminar here. Wow. Woo. Put the gas here. Tora, come here. If $1, guys, you know, it's 100 shillings here. Bado unamwaga nje bwana.
Hiyo ni kitu ilikuwa ndani.
Yeah, guys, imagine. So maybe tomorrow I'll put maybe a half tank. Okay. So guys, boy. Yeah. Okay, guys, I see V8 is coming, man. People are so wicked. See V8. Super cool. Super car. You see my tattoos? Yeah. Got a ton for you. total. Look at that. You must be very careful, guys, here. No jokes here. Organized. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, take you around. Guys, I'm just back home and I needed to move the jacket by saying thank you so much, guys, for everybody being supporting me. And today is a special day, guys, ever. Oh my god. Just a minute, guys. You know, sometimes it's hectic. So let me hang my jacket here. Okay. Let me hang there. So probably my mama, she was not around, and I need to check the car so I can able to release these videos, guys, you know. Right, the time is running, man. It's around 12:54, you know, PM, and the rain is coming from this side, you know. So when I was coming from border town, I see the cow. Guys, maybe people will ask me, hello baby, every day is border town. I normally go there. I have one of my friends there who is a businessman. We try to talk with him, and also not only him, I had a lot of friends in border town, you know. Like for example now, I met one of my friends. He gave me the sugar cane, but I didn't eat that sugar cane, so I brought back home. So when they came from church, they eat that sugar, you know. Yeah, it's good to have friends, man. So I'm telling you, the moment you cut these trees by power, so look, it's really growing up. Look, guys. So maybe let me say less than 7 years, these trees will growing taller, you know. So I normally come here to see our cows, and then I'll end my videos inside here on this bushy. Hey, good morning. You good? Yeah, I'm chewing. Right. I see the guy who have my motorbike, my first bike, passing right there. Wow. I had this car aggressive. Like it has some small issue with the boobs. When mama was she was milking the cow, it threw the legs, you know. It's just okay. I don't want issues with my mama. When I go to church, I told you to check the cows. Gila. Yeah, just okay, guys. You know? I think this one are pregnant, guys. There's some signs. You see the stomach growing big. They are pregnant. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. And these are it's the end of my videos. So probably I think right here we have a lot of sunny. So let me go back home there. I think there's a clear view, you know. Wow, things are supernatural here, you know. And I think for other places you can see like super green vegetation. Even, guys, you see the view from this side, and this side here is totally different, because this side here, it shows the rain will start from this angle, but when it starts raining to our village, the rain starts from here. This one is this side here is Tanzania, so the rain which raining in Tanzania didn't come to our village, but which start from here. Oh, don't joke, guys, you know. So we know how the direction the rain come, which direction, and then it's raining or not yet. Today let me trespass to my neighbor's land. I use a shortcut. My dog knows me. You heard? Start making noise. So I think tomorrow it's our third. Let me say, guys, it's day 3. The mason arrived here, you know, so for constructing this stuff. Wow. So, guys, I want to end these videos, and I want to say thank you, everybody. So in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Go and check Felicitas on YouTube channel, and also check out David Jr. Subscribe to their channel, and for everybody that I meet on these videos, please check him or her. Subscribe, show them some love, guys. We're just over here to build Africa, you know, to build Africa. AG, you want to see here to get water from this borehole. And also this is the sand which we take from inside, so we're remaining with one which mix up with water. So maybe by tomorrow you'll see them. Wow. So, guys, bye.